Only have 5 minutes. These 18 quick twisted hairstyles will make you look effortlessly chic without wasting time. 1. Low Twisted Bun. A timeless style that works for any outfit. Ideal for women with finer facial features or needing a sleek office look. 2. Side Rope Twist. Adds elegant structure to soft facial shapes. Perfect for casual dates or romantic evening walks. 3. Half Up Double Twist. Combines freedom and control. Best for young adults who want a carefree but polished appearance. Very sweet. 4. Ground Twist. Creates a soft halo effect. Great for women with wavy hair and longer face shapes who love boho vibes. Or just a sweet concoction with a twist. Chocolate. 5. Twisted Ponytail. Adds a stylish upgrade to a basic ponytail. Ideal for busy mornings and active lifestyles. 6. Twisted Bangs. Opens the forehead while giving definition. Best suited for women with fine straight hair and round faces. 7. Double Side Twists. Highlights the cheekbones and opens the face. A youthful look for medium hair lengths. 8. French Twisted Bun. A polished twist for formal settings. Looks fuller on thinner hair and works beautifully for mature women. 9. Twisted Low Side Bun. Romantic and flattering on one side of the face. A charming choice for soft evening looks. 10. Twisted Headband. A twist that functions like a headband. Perfect for sporty or casual looks in younger women. 11. Rope Braid Twist. Provides texture and fullness. Ideal for women with thick hair looking for a quick refresh. 12. Low Twisted Knot. Clean and refined. A minimalist twist that suits formal environments and business occasions. 13. Twisted Crown with Bun. Elegant and secure. Great for weddings or long events. Especially for medium-length hair. 14. Accent Twist on one side. Asymmetric and modern. Perfect for sleek hair and adding detail to simple outfits. 15. Twisted Half Up with Waves. A romantic choice that adds volume. Ideal for soft waves and semi-formal occasions. 16. Reverse Twist Updo. Looks complex but is easy to do. Perfect for adding sophistication to special events. 17. Twisted Fishtail Combo. Marries bohemian with traditional. A stunning look for long and thick hair types. 18. Loose Twisted Side Braid. Soft, natural, and charming. Perfect for casual days when you still want to look put together.